Welcome to Meets Woodshop. And making this really fancy clipboard for your dead bird eye protection. Let's drill some holes. Join me in making this awesome beer mug. So I'm actually really happy with this. I think it looks really nice. My dovetails, I did not think that I was going to be making a technique. I'm Caleb with Means Woodshop, and today we're going to make this extravagant solid walnut pallet end table. This is the fanciest pallet you'll ever see. And I've gone through the shop, I've gone through the side of the shop, and I've gathered up all the walnut I could get my hands on. And most of it is in pretty rough shape. This board is already pretty nice, and it's gonna be like the top of the table, and it's gonna be the overall width of the table as well. It's not gonna be a huge table. So I'm gonna use this as my finder in all of this wood. So this looks like a decent piece, so I'm gonna set this up as a stop block sort of, and get the same length out of this this is. So this is a good solid board. It's just got this little defect right here, but the rest of it's pretty solid. I think I want to use it as part of the structure of the table, and I think what it'll be is it'll be our middle runner. So with the other two runners on the outside, that'll be kind of hidden. I'd say that looks like a good length. This board wasn't safe to run through my table saw as it is, since it has no straight edges, so I've screwed it down to this long board so I could get a straight edge on one side. Now I could shave off that other side. Okay, so I got my pallet laid out here, and all I'm trying to do is figure out about where my notches need to be, because a lot of pallet runners have a notch cut in there. So with these boards, they're kind of wide, so my notches aren't going to be able to be too wide. I'm going to put a mark here and a mark here, so I know that's where my notch needs to go. Now, to also increase the fanciness of this project, I'm going to round over the tops of all my top boards, the bottom of all my bottom boards, and then probably either side of the runners. So I'm going to be in for a very long sanding session. So after sanding for what feels like about a lifetime and a half, I can finally begin assembling our little pallet. Whoa. Just the bottom is going to be held together with glue and screws. So let me give you some deets about how I'm going to attach the top of the pallet. I'm going to use dowels to hold it together, and I got this nice light colored dowel, so it'll be a contrast. finish this, I'm gonna do something different and use Danish oil. I got this pallet runner home. Very pleased with how the Danish oil looks on there. But Jennifer came up with the idea of putting some really fancy metal legs on there. These things are solid. You're in my work zone. And lastly, these legs came with some little rubber feet that just pop onto the bottom. Here's the pallet table all done. I'll include my pretty detailed pictures of it after my outro, so give me a second, damn it. The part of it that wasn't easy was getting the usable nice wood, because I wanted this to be as nice as I could make it to my abilities. Okay, these are like 28 bucks, and free shipping because Amazon Prime. That's it for this project. If you enjoyed the video, please like it. If you did enjoy the video, please subscribe too. I post new projects, videos like this every week. Why don't you just get on board with it already, you know? Don't be beating around the bush. Just dive right in and hit the subscribe and hit the little bell too so you'll be notified every time I upload a new project video. And anyways, here are the pretty pictures of this so you can see it in all its glory.